Hi guys, I'm Rupika Vishwanathan. I'm from Tamil Nadu and I'm a chemist as well as I'm motivator and I'm doing the stuff called Art of Speaking where I engage with the people to speak in English and also kind of motivator. So I'm welcoming you all to this Vidyalay platform and this is a new online platform where we are providing enormous classes and it's our first initiation that we are providing a spoken English course and it's gonna be really helpful for you guys because I'm gonna tell you what we need to learn spoken English and how we need to learn, like how we need to speak and everything we are going to cover in this course. Like it's kind of demo, it's kind of trailer. So just see the trailer. Even with the trailer itself, you can learn something. I can bet that. Okay, we will just go for the class because time is very short. We need to cover a lot of things. We need to discuss with you. Like you can ask your doubts, and we can rectify our doubts also. Okay, so we can do that stuff now, and we are going to class now. Let's go. So the first thing, why we need to learn spoken English. The first question, why we need to learn? Is it really important that we have to learn? Do you think? Because individual have a different opinion and I have my separate opinion why I wanted to learn, and because I have a separate story and you guys have your different own story like why you wanted to learn. Okay, so do you guys have your reason? If you guys have your reason, you can unmute yourself and you can say any one of them.
Yes, ma'am. We want to learn English in order to express ourselves in front of the whole world.
Okay, that's obvious. That's really important thing. You need to express yourself to the world, and it's like how to say, it's kind of global language. Like I have written something, this is kind of basic things everybody know. It's a global language, and studying English can help you to get a job. This is what our society say, and after that learning English can help you to meet new people. These are the normal things, but why we really need to learn? For example, I'm from Tamil Nadu and maybe you're from Odisha or some east place and I don't know Odia, and you don't know Tamil. Like we have only the bridge, that link, that is English. So it's not only going to help to communicate. It will, it will broad up your mind. You can learn many things. You can get a different kind of things in your life. It's not only just that it only helped me to get a job. No, it only helped me to talk with my clients. No, it will change your way of thinking. It will change the perspective. Okay, so we will try to find why we can't learn. What are the barriers we have? Like how we need to learn all the category we have. Some person will think that, do I need to learn grammar to speak English? Does anybody have
No,
that question?
absolutely not.
Yes. So it is a common question that we need to learn grammar or not. So what is your thinking? What is your way of thinking? Do you really want to learn grammar or you don't want to learn?
No, ma'am. We do not need to learn grammar.
Okay, it's your point that Uttam saying that he don't want to learn grammar. Okay, for example, I'm saying I just wanna come to Odisha. Okay, I want to talk with you people, and I don't know Odia. I'm planning to learn Odia language. So if you teach me just a spoken Odia only, or you will teach me to learn that grammar also, because I don't know the gender difference. I don't know the present, past, future. I don't know how to do that. So you will teach me that. So it is necessary that we need to learn grammar. See, learning grammar is like we are not going to learn like how we need to read every time, we need to write every time, make fill in the blanks. This is not the stuff we have to do. We should do real life practical. Okay, applying the grammar while we speak. Okay, so I would tell you like how to do that. Okay, so learning grammar is really important. It's a kind of basic. If you want your building very strong, the grammar is kind of basement. Okay, so some people say that grammar is not necessary. You can learn spoken English within 30 days, within 20 days, within 10 days, then buy a book. Are you like that gonna help to you? No, it gonna helpful to you. It never. It's really you feel kind of nervous because you're still empty. You will get inferior complex. Why we are getting that? So I'm gonna show you some kind of questions. Okay, realize it. Do people look at you confused when you speak English? It happened with me. I'm gonna tell myself. If you have, then you can share. Like Ayush unmuted himself. Say Ayush.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So people look
Yeah,
at you confused, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So why you think that? Like why people look at you confused? Have you realized it? Why they are looking like that? If I speak in English.
I think, ma'am, it's environmental due to environmental conditions.
Hmm.
I think in that atmosphere is not that type.
Okay.
In
Yeah.
I think
That is good. That is good reason.
especially in Bihar.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is really obvious, Ayush. You're saying, it's kind of valuable point because our environment, our surrounding is not letting us to speak English because our friends will make fun. Hey, you're speaking in
Yes,
English,
ma'am.
seriously?
This is the main problem for me.
Okay, that is your main problem because people think what? You're scared that, like, what if they judge you? Like, if you speak in English,
You are
if
doing
you
over
make
a smart
mistake.
guy or something.
That's the point. When somebody is making fun or something, our brains think that, oh, we should not do that.
Yes.
We may react vigorously that how can you say that? But your brain indirectly following that you should not speak. So try to come out of that kind of judgmental things. Let the society speak. Let them speak whatever they want, but it is your thing, it is your necessity. You have to learn spoken English. You know the importance of spoken English, right? Maybe everybody have different kind of opinion why they want to learn, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you, like, why you want to learn spoken English, Ayush? What is the reason? Do you have any reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what reason you have?
Following points for this. Firstly, for job interviews. Second, communication skills. Sometimes we trouble in the society to speak English or something.
Okay, so you have many reasons. So if you try to follow that, you can really achieve that. If you don't have reason, if you don't know why we need to go, why we need to do, then you can't do anything. So everybody, each one, you have to find why you need to learn. Okay, fix the goal. Like you need to think, then how to go for it. But you guys stop at one level. You don't take initiative. You feel like, shall I do it tomorrow or shall I do it after some time? But you feel sad that you don't speak. We are having this kind of mental thought always. We just blame ourselves why we are not speaking. We can't speak. I don't know how to speak. You have ways in your hand, but you're not going for that. So I'm gonna help you how to do it. It's very simple. Yeah. I'm not going to say that it is easy that you can speak easily within few days. No, it is kind of hard work process. Everything will have to make step by step. So we can make that. Ayush, I think you got my answer. I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine then. So I'll go for that second one. Do you think that your pronunciation is not good enough? Anybody?
Yeah, not.
Okay,
not
you
good.
Also fine. Your pronunciation is not good enough.
Not good.
Okay. So how we need to make it perfect? To make pronunciation perfect, we need to follow some kind of strategy. The strategy is that we need to mimic a person. We need to mimic the native speaker. Mimic like chameleon, that animal. That animal, wherever it's set, it try to mimic the color of that. It reflect the colors, right? So that it look the same color. Like that, we need to mimic. We need to try to copy the native speaker and see the pronunciation. I have different kind of pronunciation and you have different kind of pronunciation because this is what you have learned in your school and your surrounding people speaking that, and no one is telling you it is right or wrong, and you're just following that. So try to find it is right or wrong. Go for the original. Okay, and there are the way how to rectify that. Yeah. Anything? Are you trying to say something?
No.
Okay, fine then. So next point, like, do you find difficult to understand grammar? It is main point, like we have talked, grammar is important or not?
Not very difficult, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, it's not that much difficult, but somebody feels that it is difficult. I would tell you something. I not studied in kind of English medium or kind of convent. I studied in my own native language, medium, it is Tamil. I faced a kind of very difficult situation when I finished my 12th class, and I was in the position I don't know how to speak with the people. But the position is like, I need to speak in English only. I don't know how to do it. That environment, that surrounding made me to learn everything, and that kind of adaptation. So try to adapt yourself. So it is obvious question, like in starting, Uttama asked me that we are not getting surrounding or something, like how to speak with people or something. We don't have person to speak. And also people are making fun of us.
Yes, that's the problem. We have
Yes.
the lack of talk buddies.
Exactly. And we are our friends also not good in English because they also not taking initiative. So this course, you are going to communicate with me. I'm going to speak with you not only in this 40 minutes. Apart from this 40 minutes, I will give you how you have to improve yourself. That is kind of process. It is not single process, that is step by step process. Like first what you have to learn and next what you have to learn. Okay. And do you feel nervous and shy when you speak English? We have saw that. Yeah, most of them. And I felt
This is
also
a
I
big
accept
problem.
that. What?
This is the big problem, ma'am. Fourth point is the big problem. Nervous or shy.
Yes, nervous or shy. Like Ayush, like you're really good that you're talking with me. At least you have come out of that circle and you're talking with me. There are still some person, they are in nervous, they are in shy. If I speak, what ma'am gonna think or what others gonna think if I make mistake? So this is also reason you need to remove that. So English is speaking English, not only reading grammar and making practice, it makes you fluent. No, you need to remove this kind of stuff. When you remove this stuff, you can see the clear sky. That's it. That's it. I really want to say that. And do you believe that you can't speak English well forever? Have you ever thought in like Ayush gonna say something, and other than Ayush, anybody have this thought in your mind?
No, ma'am, I cannot believe.
Okay,
I cannot speak English.
that's good spirit. That's really good spirit. Having spirit is really good. Okay, I think buddies are not speaking. Okay, don't you love to improve your word power? What is word power? Okay, I will
It's
tell you.
vocab strength.
Yeah, say, come on, say.
It's vocab strength.
Yeah, it is vocabulary. So you need to have vocabulary. There are 55 lakhs of words in English, and we need to know 33,000 words to speak fluently in English. So each one of them, how many words you know in English? Then I would tell you that how to manage normally to speak English, like how many words we need to learn. You guys say, just make a time, take a time and think, make some approximate, say something like how many words you know in English. It's kind of task, do it.
Probably 2000 words, but one senior of mine, he had said that we need to learn 5000 words in order to express ourselves fully.
Okay, that's good. Ayush, how many words you know? And Tanurani, how many words you know? And other guys, tell me how many words you know.
Don't
Ma'am,
know.
words are the important, but right at the moment the utilization of the word is also important.
Yes, that's good. That's good, really. Okay, so I would say that, like Uttam already said, it's 5,000 words are required. Yes, I can say there is 3,000 words. If you know, you can manage your English. You can't be fluent, but at least you can manage with that without any problem. And last point, do you have any inferiority complex? Inferiority complex, that kind of very deep stuff, it will not let us to speak. Even if you have knowledge also, it won't let you to speak. If you have with you, please try to remove that. Seriously, guys, maybe it is a demo class, like I'm going to give you kind of free advice. Don't take it as advice. It is really important. If you have with yourself also, remove it. Okay, it's kind of buddy talks, like I'm trying to rectify your problems. You can think like that. Okay, so elements of good talking. What is the meaning of elements of good talking? There is a good talking and bad talking. I would say you should have a quality of voice. Voice, like everybody have a natural voice. I also have my natural voice. When I speak in Tamil, my voice literally will be opposite. When I speak in English, my voice is totally opposite. It is just changing because of my vocal practice. You should do the vocal practice. Do you know the singers? They make practice, then only they can sing well. It is not that when they born they have that voice. No, they do multiple practice. Okay, so I would tell you the first day, like you should take a newspaper, write down the words, like what are the words you are seeing, what are the new words, like try to collect 20 or 30 words daily and try to relate with your real life examples. And if you do it for 3 months, right, you are going to get so much of word power. Really, nobody can make fight with you. They are gonna fail. It's really. And speaking style should be individual wala. Like I have my own style, you should create your own style. Okay, that is your talent. You should create your own style. You should be unique always. Don't try to be like somebody. Be like yourself. Then selection of words, like while we speak in English, like we do some mistake oftenly. What is that? I also used, while talking with you, I have used that kind of na, yar, are yaar, those kind of words. Just remove it. It's really not good to use. When we talk with a person, he tried to tell you that you are from that place. It's really not good. Just try to avoid that thing. And I would tell you what are the mistakes we do while speaking English. I would tell you that this is our first demo class, like first class. We have 5 days left. In that 5 days, each day I would tell you, and I'm gonna teach you small amount of grammar. And I would tell you how to form or how to frame a questions, because we have one problem in us. Like what, something I want to say in English, but I know all the words, but I don't know how to make it join, and I don't know how to say. This is the problem. Most of them are facing it nowadays. Maybe in our class also. You know every words, but you don't know what I have to say first, like which word I have to say first. So this is called ability to frame a questions. So the talent to frame, or like I would tell you, it's kind of talent only. So ability to frame question is kind of skill. That skill, I would tell you, even in a demo class itself. Okay, so this demo class is kind of very useful to you. Okay, it's not like normal kind of seminar, like normal, like we come and we show the PPT and we then leave the class. No, it's not gonna be like that. It's kind of workshop. You would learn something. You would try to realize what you have to do, what you not to have to do. Okay, adaptation and courtesy in speaking. I would say first adaptation. Try to adapt yourself regarding your situation. This is the class. In that class, I am only speaking in English, and you have to speak in English. Okay, so you have to speak. Even if you make mistakes, I am not going to judge. Nobody is going to judge. If you do mistake only, we can rectify our problem. So if somebody is want to talk with me, please talk with me. I'll say your problem.
Ma'am, when I am talking with someone, after saying some problems with English, I feel feel confused when I'm talking with someone with English.
Okay. So you feel kind
Whether
of
my
confused.
pronunciation is correct or not, or whether my sentence is correct or not.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. So you're judging yourself itself. Nah, don't do it. Don't do that. Don't think this kind of stuff. Just talk. I would tell you again one story. It's not kind of story. It's my thing. Like when I was in Bangalore, that place I don't know Kannada. I don't know Hindi also. I don't know English also. But I need to speak with my professors, also my fellow students with English only. It was kind of very hard situation because I don't know grammar. Like what Himanshu said, like pronunciation is good or wrong. I need to ask question also, like I have some doubt. I don't know how to ask. I literally felt so bad when I'm going to learn. This problem we always have, but how we need to come out? We need to think of it, right? So we need to follow kind of practice. That practice only will help you. Okay, but first you need to remove your inferior complex, that kind of shy or nervous. Even if you make mistake, right, do it. Just do mistake. There is no wrong in it all. Do mistake. Yep. Anybody? Okay. Ayush, wanna say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My grammar is, ma'am, more or less good, but at the time of speaking, there is a problem.
Okay. So while speaking, like you're facing that problem, right? So you found your problem where you're facing it. So how to do it? Because
mainly in the friend circles. Mainly in the friend circles.
okay.
When I teach my students, then I completely speaking English of the course book or something. But when comes to in the front of the friends, then completely lost.
Okay.
Don't remember the words, don't remember the vocabulary, nothing.
Okay.
This type of problem.
Yes, this problem is because you forget yourself while you teach. You're dedicating yourself. You forget where you are. This is what happens when we teach, like we forget all the environment. We only look about a book or content or students. Even you don't think about the students also, you just deliver what is in your mind. So that time you speak well. So what is that? You have ability in you. You can do it.
Yeah.
When you realize you are the Ayush, when Ayush friends are standing in front of me, my brain is thinking and tricking me. Don't say this. You're gonna make mistake. So you're making mistakes. So you're forgetting. Right?
Yeah.
This is the reason. So you should forget yourself with your friends also. Okay, dedication. Dedication is important. That dedication only makes you kind of fluency in English. So make that dedication while speak with people. Like you're speaking well with me. You need to do some kind of small practice. If you do it, you also can speak fluently, right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So the real problem is that, ma'am, we think English as a parameter of talent.
Yes.
That's the thing.
That's the thing. Yes, it is not. It is a kind of language. It is not the talent. I would tell you, in the last session, like so many persons said that learning English, like only learning English to get a job. Yeah, we can get a job. That person know English. It doesn't mean that he is a talented one. Okay, it doesn't mean in any sense he is a talented. Not at all. You need to do something. Knowing something is not at all useful. Like you have garden, you have all the vegetables, but you're not selling it. What is the use of it? It's gonna waste. So having language and knowing that language and how to use it, that is the process. Studying everything and leaving that is really equal to don't do anything. Be simple, be silent. If you know everything and try to implement it. Okay. And I guys, like you guys asking your doubts, that's really good. I feel so good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say. Okay. I'm gonna give this kind of session to ask some others also, to ask some doubt. If you have doubt, not about this course also, if you have doubt in your way of speaking English, you can just ask me. I would wait.
Ma'am, you do not know Hindi, but when you try to speak in Hindi, then I will call it, how cute is this? But when you speak in English mistakenly or wrongly, then I will say, how idiotic is this? So this is the problem.
So problem is where it is starting. You should stop saying that also. Stop complimenting somebody while they make mistake or something. When we do, right, our mind is like thinking like logic, like yes or no. So if somebody is saying, that is good. If somebody is not doing, it is wrong. So we should not do it. It is not your problem or my problem. It is like kind of our surrounding problem, our society problem. We can't rectify all people. We can rectify ourselves. That is the only thing we can do right now. Okay, so again I'm telling you, just don't go behind the people what they speak about you. Just speak English. Okay, I'm not promoting English. It's kind of thing, if you have that confidence in you, if you really speak well, you will get a kind of opportunities in your life. You can meet new people, you can expand your connectivity. It will really help you. So guys, anybody have any doubts?
When something is written, when something we write in English in paper and pen, it requires some time. But when you talk with, we don't talk with fluently and right use of words at the right time.
Okay. So it is important to tell you that it is not necessary that you have to speak fast or immediately. Try to speak normally, try to speak slowly. It's okay. But in starting, right? In starting, it kind of error in us. We try to speak slowly, slowly, slowly. Then we can make it fast. And to be honest, I speak very fast. And I think I'm speaking very fast also now. I'm trying my best to speak very slowly in English to make you guys understand. So we have that kind of talent. If you want me to speak slowly also, I would speak slowly. So you need to learn how to speak slowly, how to speak fastly. You can only do that when you have that kind of oscillator in your hand. Then only you can do that way. So if you do practice, see, I'm saying, this girl is saying practice, 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 like how you will do it, yeah, like how I will do. Is there any way? Yeah, there is a way. That is a way to do practice. Talk with me. We have kind of tutors, we will arrange them. We will, you can talk with me. Like there would be a task day. In the task day, I would give task for each and individual, and you have to represent to me. So if you do it regularly, consistently, you can see the progress. But you should maintain consistency. If you don't make consistency, it will give you kind of less value or less result. Okay. So guys, say about your feedback on this session. Like your doubts are getting like clear. You're getting any way. Is it really good? You want me to give you more content? Because tomorrow, like remaining 5 days, gonna be very interesting. I would teach you small amount of grammar, small amount of public speaking skills, how you have to speak, how you have to represent yourself towards people. And after that, there is a conversation practice, how you need to speak, how you need to improve yourself. That thing I'm gonna tell you. Okay, remaining 5 days.
So nice of you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Great session for me.
Okay, Ayush. Thank you, Ayush.
I feel that I can speak English.
Yes, you can. You can speak English. You can do it.
Ma'am, because of less vocabulary, I am so much confused to speak English when I try to speak, because I don't understand what is the English meaning of these things or etc.
Okay. So I understand. You don't know what they are speaking. So try to see the things. Try to observe the things. So when you listen something, right? When you listen, try to listen something. Try to observe it. Try to grab it. Listen it for more times. Repeat it. When you
Yes.
repeat the self for 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, that words, that meaning, everything going to set in your brain. Simple.
Yes, ma'am. Because most of time we are using Hindi and Odia language. That's why the English vocabulary is so much less.
Yes. So how to improve your vocabulary? There is a way to improve your vocabulary. I would suggest some kind of books, some kind of vlogs. You need to watch it. You need to do it. It is not that only I can do it. No, there is a lot of ways. You need to grab it. You need to follow it. Then you can achieve it. Okay. I would tell you what are the things you have to do.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So guys, at the end of the session, like today class, we are gonna send some Google form. Just kindly fill that. We will give you a kind of ebook, free ebook. It contains some information which is really helpful to you. And please try to attend tomorrow class. All consequences class. Don't feel bored or something. In starting, we feel bored only. We feel sleepy only. We feel like, shall I really need to do it? Shall I really need to go for it? Okay, yeah, it's not important. I'll do something else. Don't do that. It is our mind, it makes us to think that. Okay, it is obvious. Just don't go for that. Okay, and I'm gonna give you one work. Everybody should write down what difficulty you're facing, what is the barrier, and how you want to improve yourself, and what is the reason you want to learn English, that spoken English. Please try to note down on the next class. That means tomorrow I'm going to talk with each individual person. So it's gonna be interactive session. Also, I will teach you some important stuff on this class, upcoming classes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
Useful.
so much.
Points, ma'am.
Thank
What
you,
are the
ma'am.
points?
It is very useful.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the task?
Which one?
Repeat the points, ma'am.
Like what kind of points you're asking? Like tomorrow, that upcoming classes?
Yeah.
Okay. In upcoming class. What? Okay. So in upcoming classes, I would tell you, like I'm gonna teach you the small amount of grammar. Okay. And after that, okay, you guys are asking the work I have given. Okay. Work. Okay, fine. What are the difficulties you're facing while speaking English? Okay. And what is the barrier? Like what is stopping you not to speak? Like everybody have that issue. It's not that no, I don't have. No, individual have that problem. So write it down. And after that, how you want to improve that. And
Yes.
finally, what is the
Okay.
reason you want to learn? What is the reason?
Okay,
What
ma'am.
is the goal? Yeah. These 4 things. Is it okay now? Okay,
ma'am.
guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So the meeting is gonna end. And thank you so much. And please don't forget to come tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. Bye. Have a great night.
Same
Thank
to
you.
Okay, thank you.